Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid on Instagram. A well-planned grid transforms your profile into a visually appealing showcase, attracting more engagement. It's about creating a cohesive story with your posts, making your feed look professional and intentional. We'll cover how to preview your layout, ensuring every new post enhances your overall aesthetic. This guide will help you master the art of a stunning Instagram presence, making your content stand out to your audience. Choosing the right grid layout is crucial for your Instagram aesthetic. You can opt for a checkerboard pattern, alternating between different types of content, or a row-by-row theme, where each horizontal line tells a mini-story. Think about your brand's visual identity and what message you want to convey. Maintaining a consistent color palette and applying similar filters across all your posts will significantly enhance your grid's overall appeal and professionalism. To effectively plan your Instagram grid, several third-party applications offer invaluable assistance. These tools allow you to upload your photos and videos, then drag and drop them into various arrangements to preview how they will look on your profile. This "what you see is what you get" approach helps you make informed decisions before publishing. Many apps also offer scheduling features, enabling you to plan your content weeks in advance and ensure a consistent, organized flow for your grid. Maintaining a cohesive and appealing Instagram grid requires ongoing effort. Always prioritize posting high-quality images and videos. Blurry or poorly lit content can detract from your overall aesthetic. Strive for visual variety by balancing close-up shots with wider environmental views. Regularly review your grid as a whole to ensure it continues to align with your brand's message and visual goals. This consistent attention to detail will keep your Instagram profile looking polished and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.